Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is a quick update of our garden and the date today is February 15th, 2026. So it's still very early in the season. We have started a little bit with our preparation. So we see here three raised beds. These three raised beds came from over there. So we had three raised beds over there next to our greenhouse that got ripped. Um, we are planning on adding another greenhouse. So we had to clear the area and we had to move the raised beds. So we have them here. These raised beds were underutilized last year. So we are hoping to get more production from these raised beds. And these three are all 4x8 raised beds. I think it's 8 inches in height. So it's not that deep actually. Here, I'm going to show you what we have. These are our everbearing strawberries. And for some of you who watched my strawberry videos, last year I propagated 30 strawberry plants. I got this from a lady on Facebook Marketplace. So last year, all I did was propagate the plants. I did not let them produce. So, and they had a lot of flowers last year, but I just removed all of the flowers. So, here, as we can see, our strawberries are looking great. We might get some early production from this bed. Most of the plants are looking great. There's probably like a couple that are a little bit smaller, but that's okay. In terms of fertilizer, I added compost and also a triple 13 fertilizer because that's what we have available right now, which I got like 4 years ago from a clearance sale at a big box store. So yeah, that's what we have in here, guys. I have 38 plants in this 4x8 raised bed. We still have plenty of strawberries that have been propagated from those plants from last year. The reason why we only have 48 in this raised bed is because the weed fabric that we have on here only has 38 holes because the measurement of this weed fabric is for green beans. So bush variety green beans, that's what we use this fabric for. And then since it was ready, so we just use it for strawberries. We have one raised bed with an arch, which we still have to fix because this is designed to be a mini greenhouse, and this PVC pipe that's on here is supposed to go on top like that. Just it came off, but we're gonna put this back. There's nothing in this area yet. We're still trying to decide what to plant in this area. And then the third raised bed that I'm going to show you is this one. And as you can see, we have some growth in here. These are garlic that were planted last year. They're still a little bit small and a little bit yellow from the snowstorm that we got. But I mean, they're still alive. And the purpose of this garlic is to be harvested as green garlic. And then here we have, uh, it looks like an empty spot, but this one is planted with 500 mixed tulip bulbs. So yeah, that's what we currently have on here. And our next focus after working on these three raised beds will be to fix the greenhouse because let's turn around and take a look at the greenhouse. So apparently the greenhouse plastic that we use does not have UV protection. So the greenhouse just got ripped, and it's a good thing that we did not put any plants in our old greenhouse last fall because then we would have lost all of them. So we basically just used our greenhouse over, late fall, early winter, for storing our seed starting materials like the trays and the pots. But other than that, we're good. And I have started clearing it. I removed most of the plastic. There's still a few or a little bit of the plastic in the back because as I was cleaning it yesterday, it started raining. So I couldn't finish it. I might be able to work on that later on so we can start growing in that greenhouse. Usually we use that greenhouse for propagation. Our seedlings go in that greenhouse, and that's why we need to build another greenhouse for growing like actual plants in the ground. All right, guys, this is our update today. 3 raised beds cleaned up, 2 of them are planted. The one in the center, still trying to decide what we're going to plant. But so far, we are happy with our progress today, since we've just been working on this whenever we have a little bit of time after work in the evening. So yeah, looking great, and we're excited to be harvesting from these raised beds. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day.